how to delete sold items on Mercari. Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can delete sold items on Mercari. To do so, log in into your Mercari account first of all, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page where you see the Mercari logo. Next to it, you see the favorite icon, notification icon, your cart, as well as your profile. And so, in order to delete sold items, you have to go to your listings. And how do you do so? Move to the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines, and in the options displayed, scroll down and click on My Listings. So your listings contains all of the products that you've added to your account so far. And so once you're on your listings page, the next thing to do is to find the sold item you want to delete. All right, so find the sold item you want to delete, and so click on the item and you will see an option to delete or to remove it. Whichever one, it means the same thing, or in some cases you might see a trash bin instead. Just click on it and you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to delete this listing. Click yes, and just like that, your that particular listing would be deleted. Ensure it is a sold item you're deleting. All right, so that is it. This is how you can delete sold items on Mercari. Thank you and have a good day.